When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, let's look at some more stickers from Swamp Family Mail. This is like a continuation, you guys. I don't know how many stickers we're gonna get to look at today, but oh my god, it has been so difficult for me to not just peek in here and see what's it gonna be. Like, what are the other stickers in here? Because there's so many, and last time we saw so many awesome rare stickers, and I have to know. We have this much left. So how many are we gonna get to look at today? I don't know. It depends on how much memory is left on this card, how long until the camera overheats. Let me take a look at how much battery we have. Hang on. I wanted to update you guys. This is several of the stickers that we looked at last time. Some Lisa Frank bookmarks as well. So this entire collection was sent to me in Swamp Family Mail from Swamp Family member Sonia. A huge thank you to them again. But if you guys have any other sticker collection books that y'all can recommend to me in the comments, I got this one from Jet Pens a while ago, but technically it's just for those like sheet sticker, well, like the long sheet. You guys, nothing I ever say makes any sense, but see, like the pockets are only like this big, like as big as like a bookmark or a ruler. And also, like, I don't know, it kind of has a little bit of that, like, you know, when like plastic starts to get a little funky. It kind of feels like that. I rubbed it off with alcohol and I feel like it's doing a little bit better, but I am dying to find a sticker album that will fit like traditional like Lisa Frank sheet stickers, because I'm nervous to like peel them off and stick them in a sticker book. I don't think that they would survive that. So I'm trying to just like leave them on the paper as they are, but I cannot find a good sticker album that'll fit that. Anyway, now I'm rambling. Let's dive in. I think that this is where we left off. So this is 1983, and I don't recognize this character. So if you guys do, let me know in the comments down below. It says, I love you. Oh, okay. I don't recognize any of these either, but this is so fascinating. Look at this. It's a bunch of different like faces where you could like decorate them with stickers. Maybe we'll find the stickers that go with it. That's pretty interesting. They don't have any kind of like name or copyright or anything on it. So once again, a lot of y'all were leaving really fun comments on the last video. Oh, I found more faces saying that y'all remember Highlights magazine as well. And so many of y'all collected these from different years and different decades. Oh my God, look, it's the faces. Okay, it's called Make a Face Sticker, 1987 current ink. Let me see. Oh my god, you guys, I might have to try these because look at these facial features. This is so wild. I love it. I feel like the features are like so expressive. Look at those eyes. Oh my god, that's wild. I definitely never had that. Oh, and then look, we found more of our little friends here. So here's a whole sheet of those same little characters we saw in the beginning. Is that the same? Yeah, okay, so the same thing. Oh, what? That looks like the Apple logo. Oh my god. We have maple leaves, butterflies, hearts, apples. These are from 1983. And then we have another sheet. See, I was like looking for a vintage sticker album, but everything I saw, it was still like the kind of like backing paper, you know, where like you would peel them off and like collect. Cause I still remember like when I was a kid, like collecting and swapping stickers was something people did all the time. Let's see, these are from 1988. And this design is called Signs of Spring. But look at that. See, I bet this is like really hitting a nostalgia nerve with some people, because I definitely saw like the liquid filled stickers was like a big thing y'all remembered as well. And yeah, I saw on Etsy the other day, I was like browsing and I saw some liquid filled stickers that were Halloween, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so tempted. So maybe I'm gonna have to get those. Oh my god, I pulled out way too many stickers at once and now they're falling out down here. So this is called Classic Cats, 1983. So a lot of these seem to be from a brand called Current Ink. I don't know. if that means anything to y'all. Oh my gosh, look at these Mickey stickers. Look at this. They have like a gold foil exterior. Oh my gosh, I wonder if these are from the 90s or the 80s. We have Current Cats Jumbo from 1984. Look, somebody liked that top kitten. Guys, I wish I could like time travel and have like a sticker swapping party. Current Cats Jumbo sticker pack. Look, it must have been part of the same thing. 1984. Look at that. And then, oh my god, my mom's gonna love these. 1986 photo jumbo sticker pack. But look, it's all these cute little teddy bears doing things. That's so cute. Okay, we have some Stars graphic jumbo sticker pack from 1985. We still have a couple neon stars left. I don't see a date on these, but they look like, this reminds me of like wallpaper or something. Oh, we have 2 sheets of those, 3 sheets. Oh my god, what is this? 1992. I don't know what these are, but they're different. Ladybug pudding. Why is this bug named Pudding? Look, it's all these bugs and they have like funny random names. Oh my god, what is the worm called? George and Tail. Wait, is the mosquito called Weenie? Why is that? Isn't this like, I don't know. I love like random stuff like that. Oh, we have another Sniffy peanut butter. I really loved these scented ones last time. Oh, yep. We saw this one last time too. Go Play Yogurt. And then I loved this one. I feel like I put this on the front page of the sticker album. This one smells like toothpaste. Okay. Oh, baby powder. Do you guys remember this one? And then I love my humpback whale. Oh my god, somebody adopted. Like, you know how you can adopt like through donations and stuff? You like adopt different wild and endangered animals. Nacho chips. Oh my god, I dare not smell this again. Last time I smelled this, this smelled just like nacho cheese Doritos. Then we have just a random little kitten in like a sailor suit. Guys, I feel like this camera is like working overtime on focusing. We have more Current Cats from 1984. These cats look like they have thoughts. I don't know. They almost look like Halloween colors. Oh, it's our I Love You friends again. Then we have this one, which it says University of Alaska Museum Fairbanks. This is literally like, I guess from going to the museum or... That looks so old though. I wonder what year. Oh look, it's more Alaska stickers with a JCPenney sticker. Wait, I feel like I'm gonna say something dumb. Does JCPenney still exist? But these are called Vibra Cal decals. We have, oh, Kenai, Alaska? I'm probably not saying that right. Look, they must have gone to Alaska. Then we have, oh my gosh, Fancy Embossed Foil Fantasies from 1983, I think, but look at all of these. Oh, they even say collect them, trade them, but they're all these little teddy bear gold and red foil seals. So cute. Okay, we have this long strip. I'm trying to see. 1986. The Gifted line from John Grossman. Look at that. Is that like the predecessor to like Mrs. Grossman's stickers? But look at that. We have so many beautiful heart flower stickers. Then we have these, which, oh my gosh, 1985. Like this whole color palette is so 80s to me, which makes sense, but you know, I don't know. There was just almost something about the mixture of like pastel with neon that was like very 80s. Okay, more I Love You. This is the neon pastel we just saw. More I Love You. Oh my gosh, 1986 Hallmark. You guys, I swear these are like early Lisa Frank stickers, and I wish I could literally show you guys what I'm talking about, but I feel like a long time ago, it was like an Etsy listing that probably sold. These are like even still wrapped and everything, but yeah, I feel like I read or saw somewhere that Lisa Frank was like designing stickers and maybe like wrapping paper and stuff for Hallmark before it was technically called Lisa Frank. But I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh my god, I love your smile. And it's the Cheshire Cat. I love that sticker. That is so cute. I feel like this could even be like a bumper sticker. We have more Alaskan seals. And I don't see a date or anything on these, but they were $1. And now, here they are. Ah. So beautiful. Ooh, we've got like shiny snowflakes. These are Mrs. Grossman stickers. See, I'm kind of wondering, is John Grossman, these are from 1984, and we still have 2 of them. So pretty. And let's see. Oh my god, we've got Get Well Soon. Thank you with love. Happy day. Bring a little sunshine into life. Look, it's summer, the season for sun and sandcastles, for carnivals and cotton candy, for friends and fun and dreams being spun beneath the starlit sky. I love that. I love the romantic summertime poem. Ooh, we have Care Bear's Friend Bear from 1983. And once again, this is like a really cool large bumper sticker sized sticker. Then we have 1987. These look like some, you know, Hallmark like words that maybe you would use on the backs of cards and everything. Very cute. Then we have No Puffin. What is that? Wait, stop hating the puffins. Why no puffin? Is this like an anti-smoking thing? But they're like being funny and they're like, no puffin birds. Take your pick. Here are the stickers you ordered from Sticker World. What is Sticker World? Look at that. I didn't even show you guys what I'm reading from. Okay, let's see. It looks like there's a bunch of different stickers in here. Let's see, what was the order from Sticker World? Oh my god, we've got tea and cookies. We've got like a whole long line of those. That's so cute. It's like teapots. Looks like, is that a lemon? Yeah, lemon, flowers, spoons. And then we have teddy bears. This is so cute. We have some, they're a little bit stuck together. I'm trying to be careful with them, but we have some large teddy bears and some tiny teddy bears. Both adorable. Ooh, wait, why does this look like a familiar character? 1983, Rose Petal. This cat looks really, really familiar to me. Was there a cartoon called Rose Petal? Is Rose Petal the cat or the butterfly creature or the fairy princess? I don't know. Okay, you guys, we have a bunch of these little separate ones that fell out. So let's go through them really quick because I think a lot of them are gonna be the ones we saw last time. We have the licorice bear, the taco. Did we smell that one last time? No zits. I remember the no stickers. No homework. Did we get those last time? Mr. Tubble, I remember. Then we have scratch-and-sniff caramel apple and popcorn. No bedtime. These are like so funny. These were from the 80s, but I don't remember what year. Then we have some paw prints. Ta-da! Then we have this. Oh my gosh, Haley's Comet stickers. This is like so fun. Oh my god, which I'm like kind of tempted to either start a Pinterest or a Tumblr because I said that last time, like how much fun it would be to scan these stickers in and then just like let people like look at them and reblog them and just remember the stickers. Ooh, I don't think we had this one last time. So I'm gonna try and scratch and sniff this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really cannot believe how good these still smell. So this is grape snow cone and it is an intense grape. Oh, we have the WWF sticker. Look at this. It is a puffy snow person sticker. Oh my gosh. I feel like puffy stickers is something I haven't thought about in a long time either. We have another little black cat. I think we saw this one last time because I remember saying something about like the Halloween like trick-or-treat stickers. These are from 1984 and look at how adorable these little teddy bears. He's a teddy bear on a carousel, but he looks so cute. So these are just some red heart stickers, if you guys can see like where they would peel up. And then these are so cool. And I don't see any year or anything, but I love all of these like unicorn, like heart, rainbow, butterfly. That looks so cool. It looks like we have like a front and back, really long strip of them. Okay, I'm gonna be careful and just like take a couple more out. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know. Oh, maybe these are for like birthday packages or something, or you could write like a to and from birthday candles. Look at the goose. That one is so funny. So these are 1986 Mrs. Grossman's. Did you guys ever get a present with those on them? Oh my gosh, look, it's more Haley's Comet stickers. I love these. I don't know why. They're just so cool. Like, look at that. I hope y'all can like read them. I really need to look into seeing like about getting, let me know, do y'all think like Pinterest or Tumblr? Oh my God, you guys, these are like 3-dimensional fuzzy teddy bears. These are like super flocked. These feel like actual teddy bears. This is wild. Oh my God, no date, nothing about these. I love these. Those are wild. Those are like the liquid filled ones. Okay, let's look at a couple more. We have these hollow butterflies, holographic butterflies. Look at that. Or maybe these are more like prism versus holographic, but they are so shiny. And we have another present goose, some Christmas trees. Wait, why does it say Toots? I've never heard of Toots. 1982. Was Toots a brand of sticker? Oh my God, I have truly never seen Toots stickers before. And then it looks like our last thing is some Mrs. Grossman's from 1986. We have all of these adorable dinosaurs. Look at that, pterodactyls. Oh, I almost messed that one up. But look at that. What is that, a brontosaurus? Very cute. So you guys, at least a part 3. Are we gonna need a part 4? I don't know. It looks like definitely we can probably get through this whole bag next time. And then we still have this one I haven't even opened. And this is like a box, honestly. It's like a box lid. Maybe there's an album in here. Oh my God. Maybe you guys, I should like just put what I can in this album. I was just like trying to stuff some more stickers in here. I love this little guy, but I was honestly looking to see if I could get like the same brand, but with different size pockets. And then it was so weird too, because I like literally ordered an album off of Amazon and I like measured the sheets and I went on the pocket measurement for like the Amazon listing. And it was supposed to fit the Lisa Frank sticker sheets and it did not. It was like an inch off. So back to the drawing board, still on the hunt for a good album, but who knows, maybe by the next time I make like the next installation of this video, maybe I will have a new sticker album to show you guys. Wish me luck, fingers crossed. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much. Bye. That was a weird bye.